Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Firebug to do some uh, tasks like wanting to get rid of the space here which is between the navigation bar and the content module, and also the space which is in between the title in the content module and the content here, this space. And the third task that we would do using Firebug is to uh, give some padding for this text so that it does not look um, close and touching the edges. So I'm going to bring Firebug by pressing F12, and I'm going to click on the inspect button and take a look at this space here. So if I click on it, so we can see that this div is the builder module content outer wrapper, and since it does not show any region in the site in either yellow or purple, I'm gonna drill down, and now if we see, we can see that there's an yellow area which is showing up on the website, which indicates that this is a margin, and this margin is being applied for this div, because when I put my mouse over on the div I can see the yellow area, and this div happens to be the builder module content, and the yellow indicates that it is a margin. We can see that here. So we can simply go to the CSS tab, switch to style CSS, click on edit. I'm just gonna put a small comment, and I'm gonna say builder module content. This is the margin at the top, so I'm gonna say margin at the top 0. And since this did not do anything, that is because it is being overridden by a more specific rule. See, this is what we have added. Margin at the top 0, it is being overridden because we see a strike through, and it is being overridden by this CSS, which is declared apparently in Style Manager. So to override that, what we could do is we can just put important, and that will take care of it. Now let's take a look at the space between between the title and where the actual content is starting. So I'm gonna inspect this element here. So H1 is fine, and then we have post content. So notice how when I put my mouse over on the div, which is the post content div, it shows the huge yellow region which indicates the margin. So I click on that div, and you can see that the top margin is 2.5 EM for post content. So you can go to the CSS tab, click on edit, and you can say margin at the top 0, so that will bring the text very close to that. If you would like to have some extra space, we can increase this, like say 10 pixels. Okay, now let's examine the text for which we would like to have some padding. So I am examining that text. So that's a paragraph. So this is post content. Okay, so if we give a padding, left and right padding to all the content which is under this div, post content, that will fix the issue. So I'm going to go to the post content, which we already have the selector, and I'm going to say padding at the left. I would like to have it as 1 em, padding at the right as 1 em. So that gives us some nice padding, so the content does not look does not touch the edge of the screen. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take a look at how this looks on in other pages of the website. Let's say I go to contact me. So I'm gonna switch to style CSS. Click on edit. And yep, the issue is fixed here as well. Okay, so if I were the site owner, what I need to do is to copy this CSS and paste it at the end of child themes style CSS. Hope you find this helpful. Bye.